Color Swap is an Aseprite extension that lets you replace multiple colors on a single layer or multiple layers inside of a group. It also allows you to export as a sprite sheet or export into new layers. You can set your input colors, which are the colors that will be replaced, and your output colors, which are each of the variants. Each color column will be replaced from A to B, A to C, A to D, etc. Color Swap. Pick it up on itch.io. Shoutouts to Lesma, again, for collaborating with me on this one. Oh, also Admuirn and Seaoaur also out there. Looking for some better color replacement options. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy the tool.